Hello everyone. Welcome to Math Koala. Today we are going to discuss about the divisibility rule of 8. This is the rule of the numbers which are divisible by 8 without a remainder. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits is divisible by 8 or last three digits are 0. Consider this number, 9352. Let's divide this number by 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 13. 8 times 1 is 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 55. 8 times 6 is 48. 55 minus 48 is 7. 72. 8 times 9 is 72. 72 minus 72 is 0. So, 9352 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Let's apply the rule for 9352. Last three digits of this number is 352. So, according to the rule, we have to divide 352 by 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. 32. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. 352 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Therefore, 9352 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Next number is 9056. Let's divide this number by 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 10. 8 times 1 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 25. 8 times 3 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. 16. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So, 9056 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Let's apply the rule for 9056. Last three digits of this number is 0, 5, 6. 8 times 7 is 56. So, 56 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Therefore, 9056 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Now we are going to apply the rule for the numbers in which last three digits are 0. Consider this number, 7000. Let's divide this number by 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. 60. 8 times 7 is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. 40. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So, 7000 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Let's apply the rule for 7000. Last three digits are 0. Therefore, 7000 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. So, you can easily find the numbers, which are divisible by 8 without a remainder, by observing the last three digits of a given number. Now look at this activity. Check whether the given numbers are divisible by 8. First number is 7384. Last three digits of the number is 384. According to the rule, we can divide 384 by 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 38 minus 32 is 6. 64. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 minus 64 is 0. So, 384 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Therefore, 7384 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Next number is 29835. Last three digits of the number is 835. According to the rule, we can divide 835 by 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 3. There's no 8s in 3. 35. 8 times 4 is 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. The remainder is 3. So, 835 is not divisible by 8. Therefore, 29,835 is not divisible by 8. Next number is 519,012. The last three digits of the number is 0, 1, 2. 12 is not divisible by 8. Therefore, 519,012 is not divisible by 8 without a remainder. Next number is 5,726,160. Last three digits of the number is 160. If you know 160 is divisible by 8 without a remainder, you can stop here and write the conclusion. If not, you have to divide 160 by 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So, 160 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 5,726,160 is divisible by 8 without a remainder. Next number is 95,596. Last three digits of the number is 596. If we divide 596 by 8, 8 times 7 is 56. 59 minus 56 is 3. 36. 8 times 4 is 32. 36 minus 32 is 4. The remainder is 4. So, 596 is not divisible by 8. Therefore, 95,596 is not divisible by 8 without a remainder. Now you know how to identify a number which is divisible by 8 without dividing the number. Thank you for watching.